Alright, so I'm not holding the phone, just so everybody knows. It's on a mount. Hopefully it'll stay. Go out and test the roads. Get some gas for the gas can to ride the snowmobile. Temperature gauge in the car says it's 14 degrees right now. Let's see. Main road. Should have hit a mile on this guy. So I took some measurements. I got about 16 inches in our yard. There's about 10 inches on the new car, which the snow blows off of that a little bit in the high winds, as you can see it blowing across the road right now. This is a numbered highway, so it gets plowed pretty frequently. Looks like it's looking pretty good. In northern Vermont right now in the Champlain Valley. Lake Champlain is just a couple miles to my right. Ooh. Lots of fun stuff there. We're about half an hour north of Burlington, Vermont. About an hour east of Plattsburgh, New York. Give everybody kind of a roundabout location. Snowed most of the night last night, all day yesterday, and all night the night before. So far, we're not doing too bad. I'm in a front-wheel drive Escape. It's got old snow tires on the front. Used to be studded. There might still be some studs, but might have thrown most of them out. A lot of them were rusted before I put them on here. It seems to be handling pretty well. Might go live after we go to the gas station. about 15 miles from the Canadian line right here. There's a sign just on this road that tells you that. There it is, Canada, 15 miles on that green sign right there to the right. Yep. Get us through this light real slow so we don't slide off into that snowbank. Ooh, slide a little. Slide a little. What is that trailer? Ah, look at the cars buried. $3.23 a gallon. Not bad compared to California, but horrible up here or compared to the south. Alright, it's been fun. Trying to get this phone on this mount. Because we're leaving the gas station with gas in the gas can for the snowmobile. Trying to show everybody part 2 because I just took another video to the gas station, which I'll have to post after. But we're in well, I'm in northern Vermont, Champlain Valley. We're 10 miles south of Canada, which you'll be able to see on this green sign coming up here. We're about half an hour north of the Queen City of Burlington and about an hour on the road from Plattsburgh, New York. It snowed most of the night last night. It snowed all day yesterday and all night the night before. We got a picture. We've got about 16 inches untouched on the ground in our yard. My wife's car in the driveway has about 10 inches on it. But we've also had some high winds blowing that off, so that's not accurate. Main road seems to be decent, but when we get off onto some of these side roads and the road I live on, you'll see it's covered. We got a thin layer of snow with what looks like a thin layer of ice underneath. As you see, this is kind of wet. There's the weed dispensary. Look at those snowbanks. Goodness. I don't know if anybody's gonna tune in or not, but I had to go get gas for the snowmobile. My son wants to go out on the snowmobile today, and why not? A good day for it. Oh, if you've been following along on my channel, I'm driving an old Ford Escape that's having some electrical issues, so my power steering's been going kind of in and out, so that could make things even more interesting.
But I have studded snow tires on the front. Well, they were studded. They were old, and most of the studs have been thrown out already. But ooh, the slushy stuff's fun. This slushy stuff might be the slickest of all road conditions. Burlington, 32 miles. Montreal, 70. Here's where things start getting fun. This part to be in. Over in that parking lot as tall as I am to the left. Goodness. At least as tall as I am. Dash lights going in and out. That's fun. Power steering clicking on and off. That's fun. Somebody's joined me. Just to recap, I'm in northern Vermont right now, about 15 miles from the Canadian line. Oh, and all my gauges just went out. Oh, there they are, they're back. Steering clicking on and off makes it real fun. Nobody cares. Nobody's gonna be around to see me slide around. Back off and just add it to the first one, make it one long video. Cloud going down our road. Ooh, this part's a little dicey. That's a plow up there. I hate the way cameras on phones make stuff look so much further away than it is. Makes it look smaller too. Following behind the plow right now. Well, the plow's in front of that car in front of me. If anybody's been following my channel, the big tree next to the road there on the left is the one I call my favorite tree in the videos. And that's the third farm stand in the 3 farm stand videos. Man out with a snowblower getting his driveway. Well, I guess we can go around the plow now. Nice and careful. Haven't been slipping and sliding too much. I guess the roads aren't too bad. Question any viewers who watch this after its posts, because I don't have any right now. Do you think if I wouldn't have titled it Part 2 without having a Part 1 posted, that I would have got more viewers? Comment and let me know. Just for funsies, so I can get out. I'm alright on this snow bank. And to make this video last just a little bit longer, hey, Milky. Hey, baby. Okay, then.